Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop Kabab. First, you'll need about 1 pound of boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. Next, prepare a marinade using 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of garam masala. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and the juice of half a lemon for a tangy kick. Once your marinade is ready, combine it thoroughly with the chicken pieces. Let this mixture marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes, or ideally, for several hours in the refrigerator to infuse maximum flavor. After marinating, carefully thread each chicken piece onto a lollipop stick. Aim for about 3 to 4 pieces per stick, ensuring they are compact but not overly crowded for even cooking. Now it's time to cook your delicious lollipop kababs. You can grill them over medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until they are golden brown and cooked through. Another great option is baking them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. For a quicker method, pan-fry them in a little oil, ensuring all sides are nicely browned. Your homemade lollipop kababs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with a side of refreshing mint chutney or a crisp green salad. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice will elevate the flavors even further. These make a fantastic appetizer or a delightful main course. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other amazing deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.